How to download and install Trezor Suite Lite application. If you want to download and install the Trezor, Trezor Suite S-U-I-T-E-L-I-T-E Lite application, it's very simple. First of all, on your Android or iOS, you want to make sure you're connected to a reliable internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data, whatever it is that you have. After that, open up your respective Play Store. On Android, I will simply open my Play Store. On iPhone, open your App Store. Now in the search bar, you simply want to type in the app name, which is Trezor Suite Lite application right here, as you can see, and then just hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you'll find the Trezor Suite Lite at the top. If you have never installed it, you'll find the install button. So just tap on the install icon right there. Then after you've done that, you'll be able to download and install it. On iPhone also, you'll find a similar install button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.